everyone, my name is Motushu Moduk. Now I am going to show you how to create a HTML table. So here I have opened my Visual Editor code and I have created one folder that is HTML table, and within that folder I am going to create a file that is index.html. Here I am using boilerplate code. Okay. Actually, there are few topics in HTML which are very important, that is form, table. These are the two most important topics in which a person has needed a better understanding so that he could be able to carry himself on web development. So, what is HTML table? Actually, HTML table allow web developers to arrange data into rows and columns. So, to define an HTML table, we have to use the table tag, and we were going to use the table tag inside the body tag. Let's say table tag open and close. Now one thing, that there are few other tags in HTML table, that is tr, that is table row, then th, that is table header, and then that is td, that is each table data or cell is defined with a td tag. Now one thing you must be remember, that by default the text in th elements are bold and centered, and the text in td elements and are regular and left out. So here I have created table tag, and within the table tag I am going to create our row, column and header. So to create a row, we have to open the tr tag open and close. So the very first row contains header. So for header, that is, there is tag th. In table header, whatever you want to or ask to the end user or to show the main title of the table content. For example, first name, this is the first header, and next is let's say last name, and the third one is, let's say, age. Okay, now see the output. Yeah, see. So this is our first row, which contains the header of each column. This is the first column, this is the second column, and this is the third column. So this is how you do. First define a row, and then define a first row definitely be the header part, and from second row you start to put data. Let's select from this the second row, and from here we are going to start to put our data. Let's say I will suppose to put data in td tag. This our first data is, let's say, Motushi. And next data is the motor, and third data is age. Now see the output. See, this is our first data I have entered in the first column. This is the first column data, this is the second column data, and this is the third column data. In the same way, you can enter as much as data as you want. You simply need to define the table row and then enter table data into each column of the row. This is the first data of first column, this is the second data of second column, and this is the third data of third column. So in this way you can add more and more data. Let's add one more data. This is Riya, and third is she. Now see the output. See, this is the second data I have entered. In this way, you can enter as much as data. So you can style the table by using some CSS. So let's add some CSS here so that you can be able to better understanding. So first give some border to table, that is let's put table TD TH TR. Let's add some border to all of them. After one clear, solid and gray. Okay, now see the output. What happened? Okay, here I have to put comma. I have forgot this. See. Now you can understand. You can understand it better. That is, this the data means each is separated by an individual border. Okay. So one thing here you can notice that what we don't want, that this type of table, actually what we don't want any gaps in between these. So how this would be removed? Actually, there is one property, that is border collapse. If I use border collapse, now this will be removed. See, this is removed. So in this way, you can add more CSS like pattern, color, width, and anything. So, and one thing you must be, actually in first I have mentioned that table heading must be bold and centered. So here you can see that this is the table heading, this is bold and centered, and table data are regular and left aligned. See the output. Okay, so that's all for today. This is how to create a basic table in HTML.